have this villa option available for sale. So it's the largest one in the community. It's called A type and it has a plot area of 6,000 square feet with a built-up of 6,150 square feet. It comes with a 4-bedroom house plus media room, and you will also have a lift provision to it. So let's take a tour. So this villa is A47 at Sycon, Maitri. It's currently under construction, will take around 4 to 6 months to give you the handover. So we are at a car park of this beautiful villa, which is A47. As you can see the area, you can easily park 2 SUVs next to next. Let's take a tour inside of this villa. Thanks for watching our video and don't miss out a chance to come and visit the property.